Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to edge panel and just turn on this button edge panel so that edge panel is activated. If you swipe up, in the side near the power button like this, edge panel will be open. To customize this edge panel, click on this edit symbol and here you can customize edge panel. If you would like to remove some of the apps from this edge panel, yes, you can do it. Just click on this minus symbol and it will be removed and it is restored to the home page. And if you would like to add some other items, just from here move like this, pick up and drop like this. Okay, gallery is now available in edge panel. Okay, if you would like to add more, pick up and drop. Okay, again I am adding this one. So in this way you can add more items to the edge panel. Okay, now I go to home screen and see here what all the items I have added there are available here. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.